My name is Saren, and before coming to UConn, I had no idea what graduate level research was. My name is Saren, and I'm a biochemistry major from the College of St. Scholastica in Duluth, Minnesota. Being a first-generation college student and coming from a small liberal arts college meant that I had no idea what I was getting into when I came to UConn for this RU. I have to admit, being here at UConn was hard. The hardest part for me personally has been being away from home. I come from Minnesota and I'm very close to my family, so being away from home for this long has been difficult. I am in Dr. Manito's lab. My lab specializes in acetaminophen-induced hepatotoxicity, which is just a fancy way of saying Tylenol-induced liver damage. Tylenol overdoses are the #1 cause of calls to poison control. My project specifically focused on a series of proteins called BET inhibitors. No one's ever really worked with these BET inhibitors before, so the goal of my research project was to determine the function of these BET inhibitors and if they had any effect on the amount of toxicity we saw in the liver cells that I worked with. My lab primarily uses a technique called LDH assay, which is just a way of measuring the amount of toxicity we see in the cells. The cells are bound by a membrane. When the membrane has holes in it, things inside the cell can leak out. The assay that I do measures the amount of a specific protein called LDH, which leaks out of the cell. This can be used to approximate an amount of damage to the cell. Working in cell culture was so much fun. You have no idea. And being able to work in cell culture on a daily basis was absolutely fantastic. I've always been extremely interested in science, and so for me, the debate has always been medical school or graduate school, and I've always loved teaching. Graduate school is the better way to go for my curiosity as well as for my ability to then teach and become a professor and show everybody how awesome science can be. My name is Saren, and this is Graduate Level Research.